Wagwan my people, bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat everyone. And everybody, you can see so the Saturday hot, it's steamy. Alright, so guess what? Jahshii just arrived in Belize. Alright, Jahshii just arrived in Belize and Masicka is there as well. I have the video people, so I'm gonna drop them right now. That's actually what you're seeing on the screen right now, but I have the audio, everything, and I'm gonna drop it right now. So everybody please like, share, subscribe on this video here. And everybody please, I know that you don't must like the video, but please subscribe to our channel, and for future purposes we might have a video that you will like. You understand? So everybody, I'm gonna jump off here. Please check out this video of Jahshii and Masicka arriving in Belize. So there's gonna be a big show in Belize, everybody, on the 20th, which is today. So I'm gonna follow it up all the way, and as soon as the highlights are out, I'm gonna drop it right here for you. Thank you, Jamaican Chat.
Jahshii.
Big up Masicka in the building.
Check it out. Poetry here.
Let's go. Masicka is here.